One day, a young boy asked his father what is the value of his life. Instead of answering, the father smiled and told his son to take this shining stone and go to the market, ask the price of the stone, but don't sell it. The boy then went to the small market and asked one small shopkeeper, what is the value of this stone? The shopkeeper said, wow, it's a nice shining stone. I can give you 2000 rupees for that. The boy didn't say anything and went to his father and told him that one shopkeeper is ready to take the stone for 2000 rupees. The father then said, the shopkeeper did not understand the right value of the stone. I want you to take this stone to the big market, and there whoever owned the biggest shop go show this stone and ask the price, but don't sell it. The boy went to the biggest shop owner of the big market, showed the shining stone and asked the price. The shop owner said, it is a really beautiful shining stone. I can pay you 20,000 rupees. The boy comes back home and was happy that someone was paying a much higher price for the same stone. He told his father, Father, that this shopkeeper offered a very good price for the same stone, 10 times higher. The father then said, Son, I want you to take this stone to the museum and do the same thing. Ask the price, but don't sell it. The boy then went to the museum and asked the price. The man had taken a look on this shining stone. He then asked the boy, where did you get this? I will pay you 20 lakh rupees. Give me the stone and take the money. The boy then shocked and went running home and told his father, the man wants to buy this shining stone for 20 lakh. His father smiled and said, it's a good price, but now the last place I want you to take this shining stone is to a precious stone store. Show it to the owner, ask the price, but don't sell it. The boy did not understand what his father wanted, but followed his instructions. And he went to the precious stone store. He showed the stone to the owner and asked the price. The store owner looked at the shining stone carefully with his instruments and said, OMG, where did you get this stone, my boy? It is one of the most rarest stone in the world. If I sell all stone that I have in my shop, then also I can't afford to buy this stone. This stone is priceless. The boy then come back home surprised and not able to believe the words said by the shop owner. He immediately went to his father and told him, I can't believe this man. The store owner said if he sells all his stone that he has, then also it not equal to the price of the stone. It is priceless. His father then said, Son, do you know the value of your life now? His father explained to him, we are all like this shining stone. What we don't know is that God has put a priceless stone inside all of us. It doesn't matter whether we are a man or a woman, whether we are born rich or poor. What matters is that we all are born with something priceless, and what we choose to do with it depends on us. You may have lived your whole life thinking that you were a 2000 rupees stone. You may have lived your whole life surrounded by people that saw you were bought for only 2000 rupees. But everybody has a diamond inside of them, and we can choose to surround ourselves with people that see our value and see the diamond inside of us. And when you see the priceless stone inside yourself, you will know what all you are capable of doing, and this will not only help you but can inspire others around you too. And this is, my son, is what we are born to do and achieve in this journey of life.